This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Mucoris Adult Nasal Spray is a reliable solution for nasal congestion relief. It is designed to ease breathing difficulties caused by excessive mucus and inflammation. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the relief of nasal congestion caused by various conditions such as common colds, sinusitis, and allergic rhinitis. It works effectively to alleviate symptoms associated with nasal inflammation and swelling, allowing for greater comfort and ease of breathing. How it works. It works by narrowing the blood vessels in the nasal passages, helping to reduce swelling and allowing air to pass through more freely. Directions for use. Use as directed by your physician, typically by instilling 1 to 2 drops in each nostril 1 or 2 times a day. Ensure the dropper is clean after each use to avoid contamination. It is crucial to discard any unused portion of the spray after 28 days of opening and to avoid using it for more than 7 days without consulting a doctor. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include dry nose, discomfort, headache, nausea, or a burning sensation upon application. Seek medical advice if these effects worsen. Precautions and warnings. Use with caution in individuals with heart disease, diabetes, or hyperthyroidism. It is not recommended for use in young children or for those with certain nasal conditions. Always consult your doctor before use to ensure safety. FAQs. 1. What is the use of Mucoris Adult Nasal Spray? It relieves nasal congestion due to common cold, sinusitis, or allergic rhinitis. 2. Can it be used daily? Use only as prescribed, do not exceed 7 days without consulting a doctor. 3. Is it safe? Yes, it is generally safe but may cause mild irritation. 4. Can it be used in children? It is suitable for children aged 12 and above with doctor's consultation. 5. Does it cause rebound congestion? Yes, prolonged use can lead to rebound congestion. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.